The other way would be nice. Okay, well. Fuck. What the heck?
Won't fit on there.
No. It's the bar. Alright, let's make a freaking mess. Let me get a piece of cardboard.
Lucy. Can we turn that wheel? I had to jack the front end up. We don't have anything lower. What if I check under the decks? Even got any empty ones that's lower?
Are you fucking kidding?
They're not. It's not backward threads, is it? Better wait and read instructions. Hold on.
I don't think there was any grease on that. Alright, now before we go any farther,
Not supposed to be that tight.
well, they want to make sure that was a dealer thing. Alright, I need a piece of cardboard.
Guys, your picture's just been taken.
I'll be.
Big enough to slope that. Alright, let's drain this first. Oh, I gotta get an oil filter.
So that tube's not going to work. Huh?
I didn't see a tube. I don't know what I did with it.
No, that thing uses to go.
Yeah, it's gonna work, but I gotta take this first.
Oh, I got you, sir.
Down. Come on.
This is the first oil change this thing's getting since we had it. Supposed to do it 5 hours break-in period. It's over 5 hours just here. It's 5.7 hours.
How much fun is this going to be? Oh, easy. I think they tightened this like they should of the oil filter.
Yeah. Maybe you should have done that before you put the filter on. It might make a hair easier.
Probably. Next time, I'll remember that. Maybe.
No, you won't. I have to remind you.
Okay, you remind me. Works for me, either way. God, this is this made by Chevrolet or what? They put pipe stuff on this.
Teflon tape.
I think it's the dope. I don't have any of that. And you have to keep this thing on tight. God, it looks like such good oil. I hate to waste it.
I know, but this is the break-in oil change.
Yeah, I know. So you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Oh, it's leaking. It's leaking fucking oil.
Yeah, it is too.
And my paper towel just shot off.
Let me get some more paper towel.
Just give me that one. It's floated over there. What a disaster. This don't even fit. Let's try a 12 inch. 12. That's 12. That's better.
What's that there? A plug hole?
Water hole.
Oh, okay. What a mess. Don't do as we do.
Excuse me. Right with the orange.
Right here. Don't funnel.
Turn the wheel.
You don't nothing, do you?
Well, Alan, I wasn't gonna pour it. It takes forever to pour it. Lift up on that funnel just a little teeny bit so that it can suck air. Okay, you can drop it. That's pretty close to 2 quarts.
Surprise.
Look, I can't tell.
It's always hard when you change, when you get fresh oil, and even on cars. I have a hard time telling. Best thing to do, run the engine for a little bit and then recheck it.
Oh, but if it was too low, that would be a really, really bad suggestion.
No, it's not too low. Like I see at the tip.
Yeah, it's halfway. It's halfway.
Okay.
So I could put a little bit more out. Not much. God damn. Jesus. Fuck. Get my shit together here.
You want to pick it up? Let's go
I
down.
don't think so. Alright, this is full.
Okay. Hi, Barkley. This is our poodle, Barkley. This is our no-name dog.
What is this?
This is our miniature pincher, Lucy. Hey, Lucy. Lucy. Hey, Lucy. She's always jumping.